The multipurpose steam cleaner offers a powerful, yet eco-friendly cleaning experience, effectively eliminating tough stains and grime without the use of harmful chemicals. Equipped with a robust 1500-watt heating element, this steam cleaner heats up swiftly in 5 minutes and provides up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning with its large 1.5-liter tank. The device features an ergonomic handle with adjustable steam settings and a child-safe lock, allowing for customizable and secure cleaning across various surfaces. With 24 multifunctional attachments, this steam cleaner effortlessly transforms to tackle different cleaning tasks, providing a professional-grade clean in every corner of your home. Its design caters to a wide range of cleaning scenarios, from kitchens and bathrooms to cars and clothing, with excellent maneuverability thanks to its flexible hose and long power cord. For optimal results, it's recommended to keep the nozzle close to surfaces, ensuring the steam cleaner operates at peak temperature and pressure, offering a reliable cleaning solution backed by a 1-year warranty.